Hello, everyone. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to share some of the most important lessons we've learned after years of helping customers. The first thing we need to clarify is that the E03 error does not always mean the heating element is damaged. This toaster uses sensors that constantly monitor the internal temperature, and when they detect excessive heat, they activate a protection system to prevent damage. Many customers mention that the error appears after several uses in a row when the appliance still retains a lot of heat. Another important point is ventilation. If the toaster is placed in a tight space too close to a wall or has a buildup of crumbs and residue, the heat can become trapped and trigger this warning. That's why before replacing any parts, technicians recommend checking the cleanliness, removing accumulated crumbs, and making sure the appliance has enough space around it. There are also cases where the issue comes from the temperature sensor itself. In our workshop, we have seen units where the actual temperature does not appear excessively high, but the sensor sends an incorrect reading to the control board. As one technician explains, many times the problem is not the heat itself, but the information the appliance receives about that heat. Some customers mention that unplugging the Balmuda and allowing it to cool down completely makes the error disappear temporarily. This happens because the system resets the protection mode, but if the code appears again, it means there is an underlying issue that needs to be checked, such as a faulty sensor, a control board problem, or another internal component. The manufacturer recommends turning off the appliance, unplugging it, and allowing it to cool completely before using it again. If the E03 error continues to appear, the safest option is to take it to a qualified repair service, since inspecting or replacing internal components requires specialized knowledge.